What a video today, guys. This is going to be a long one. So if any ounce of your being is rooting for me, you're probably going to be hurt by today's video. This is day number 77 of trading futures every single day until I become profitable. And there was actually at least 7 opportunities in which I could have actually been fully funded today and start making money for myself come tomorrow or even Monday. No doubt I'm being tested. I don't know, but seeing all the things that happened today against me and how close I was so many times to actually passing the combine. Yeah, I don't know. I didn't tell you yesterday because I only figured it out yesterday afternoon or yesterday evening, but my best plan really was to full port today because tomorrow I'm getting a rebill, which means if I blew the account today, I would get reset at 0 tomorrow anyway. So I was going to use this last little bit of time to just try to YOLO it kind of thing because I know this strategy has a high win rate. So yeah, I'll explain everything, but Thursday my back testing has the highest win rate out of any day of the week. It's like 94% in back testing, which is insane. So I should have had confidence in every single setup today, but I just didn't. But I am up $1,000 on the combine, which means I'm 1,400 away from passing. But I'll show you everything that happened, and hopefully you guys have the time to hear me out and understand. So this is the first trade here that I missed because I was helping my mom. She had a car appointment, so I was out of the house, and it was delivering off like this 5 or 15 minute fair value gap up here, and we inversed the 3 minute. A lot of people took this trade. That would have been pass right there with this lag down if I had full ported. Second trade, I meant to full port, but I was using minis, and when I put in my risk amount, it only gave me 1 mini when it should have really been 2 minis. So that's kind of my mistake, but we swept liquidity in the 4-hour low. We were delivering from a 5 minute, 15 minute fair value gap, and we inversed this 1 minute. And I was happy enough to take it because of this high momentum here. So like I said here, if I had full ported, it would have passed my account. This puts me in a very stressful position because now should I take another trade today or full port aiming for 0.7 hour to pass the combine? Or should I walk away? So I ended up looking for more trades, but right after that, we have this literally 8 minutes later, so soon, and we have this 5 minute inverse right here, rejecting off of this 5 minute fair value gap. Look at that. And we had a liquidity sweep on the lower time frame, which counts for me. And literally this trade would have hit like over 1-to-1. So it would have passed me if I full ported here, but I missed it because I wasn't paying close enough attention because I was still going through the emotions of the last trade like a dummy. So now we have this trade, which is totally valid. Beautiful trade, literally so beautiful. We're bouncing off this, I guess it's a 1 minute fair value gap here. We just swept this liquidity and we inversed this 1 minute. Literally, this is all we had to aim for, this 0.7. And I think it went up above after this, pretty sure it did, but that's all we needed to aim for, 0.7. That would have passed me as well. This is the one that I hesitated on. I just hesitated on this trade because I was scared of losing. This is my main issue, guys, my main issue that I keep facing, and it's so annoying. Next trade, this is on the 32nd. My brother took this on one of his accounts there. Swept liquidity, delivering from the 1 minute fair value gap up here. We inversed the 32nd. And I'm not hiding losing trades from you guys. I think there was a couple losing, like maybe 1 or 2 losing trades that I didn't take, but that's it. Like, I'm not only showing you the winner, I'm telling you about the losers. There was 2 losers that I didn't take as well, but I think 1 I couldn't take and 1 I just skipped or something. But yeah, I don't trade the 32nd, at least not yet, not till I get a platform that can even see the 32nd. So yeah, this would have been all I would need to pass here if I had taken this. Okay, this trade, this is the most painful part of the day. Listen closely. This trade right here, I tried to enter. This must be like a higher time frame fair value gap. I forget now, but we were bouncing off this 3 minute fair value gap after we swept the lower time frame liquidity here. We inversed the 1 minute fair value gap, and I had a lot of confidence in this trade because of these equal lows down here. So right here, guys, I tried to enter. I tried to risk 2,000 or 2,200 or something on this trade. When I pressed sell on the close of this candle, I pressed sell. It said right here in the bottom, 5 contracts rejected. Okay, if it didn't reject this, if I had tried risking maybe 4 contracts, I think because 5 is like the limit or something, I don't know, maybe 4 would have worked. But this was so freaking painful because it immediately in a couple minutes, no, like in 1 minute, I would have been past my account after I pressed that button. I wish I had a screenshot to prove that I actually tried to enter this trade, but this was the most painful thing of the day. I literally wrote here, I tried to enter this, but the order was rejected, maybe because it was over the contract limit 5 minis. Okay, I wrote the pain I feel is immense, and it really was. All I needed was 0.7 hour, less than 1 hour. Moving on. This trade, okay, so I had to bring my brother out of town to do something. So I was just on my phone while I was waiting for him, and I saw this potential trade. We have LRL below. We just swept this high, and we're inside of this 1 minute or 3 minute or something, delivering off of that. And when we inverse this 1 minute, I took a screenshot, another screenshot, and you get the gist. So this trade as well would have literally been a winner that I missed, that I would have taken, because this is a beautiful, beautiful trade. Take this every day of the week. I love this LRL. For me, it's high probability. And finally, this is in chronological order, okay? So finally, at 2:54 after market close, I was thinking about taking a trade, but I was at my grandma's and this played out. Swept this low. We're inside of this fair value gap, 5-minute fair value gap, perfectly with a lot of momentum inverse this 1 minute. Equal highs right here. Perfect equal highs right here. Would have went break even here, came down, account passed right here if I had full ported this, and it just went up to like 2.3 R or something. But I want you guys to try to imagine yourself in my shoes today, making your own mistakes and then getting screwed over by the platform rejecting my trade. It was painful, and now I have to pay for a rebuild tomorrow with no promise that I pass the account. I mean, I trust what I'm doing. I trust the strategy. Do I trust myself? I'm not totally confident in myself because I haven't proven that I can pass these challenges yet, but I should have confidence because I know the strategy and I know what I'm doing. But it is definitely stressful. So I thought about it a lot, guys, and I decided I'm gonna let the account rebuild at this balance. I want to take it more responsibly from here on out because I had so many chances today and it just didn't work out for me, obviously. And I think I'm just gonna risk 500 from now on, which would mean I would have to lose 5 in a row to blow the account, and there's just no way I lose 5 in a row, right, guys? So $1,400 to go, pass. Let's just keep pushing on. I don't know when, but I know trading for a living will be my reality in the future. So thanks a lot for watching, guys, and have a good night.